Hi guys, today I will show you how to make a salted caramel ice cream without an ice machine. For the condensed milk we need half a liter of milk, 60 grams of butter and 400 grams of icing sugar. Let's get started. Take a pan and melt the butter. Add milk and sugar and cook everything for at least 20 minutes. Once finished, let the milk rest in the fridge for a whole night. For the salted caramel we need 200 grams of sugar, 200 grams of whipped cream, 180 grams of butter and 5 grams of salt. Use a tall pan to melt the sugar slowly. In the meantime, in another pan we heat also up our cream. If you prefer, you can also heat it up in the microwave. Once the sugar is melted, we add our cream, but be careful because it will bubble up a lot. As a final step, add the butter and the salt. Then we transfer everything in another bowl and we put it in the fridge for half an hour. To complete our ice cream we need 200 grams of the condensed milk, our salted caramel and half a liter of sweetened whipped cream. Of course, at first we have to whip our cream. Finished this, we add the caramel and the condensed milk. Mix everything together, but be careful. Don't stir too much, otherwise at the end our ice cream will not be as fluffy as we want. Now we put the cream in a bowl and let it rest in the freezer for at least 12 hours, better 24 hours. Here we are. Buon appetito!